So today I've got the HJC RPHA 12, brand new for 2025, and we're going to do the visor removal install for you. So to begin, you want to bring the visor into its topmost position, right at the top. We'll flip it to its side, and then there's a little lever on the bottom here. You can pull this lever, and it's going to bring this mechanism back, and then we're just popping that side out. We'll flip it to the other side, and do the same thing. Bring this lever down, and then pop it out. Nice and easy. So to get the visor back on, it's another easy job. So put it back on the side. On your visor you've got this triangle, and it's this side, this top bit, that you want to get in first. So that goes into this side. You're going to want to pull the lever back, slide that top bit in, and then it'll all line up. Flip it to the other side, pull the lever back in, slide the top bit in, and it'll all line up. Nice and easy.